Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling mobile data and connecting the phone with a quality data cable. This is how you create the physical link. On Android, open Settings and turn on USB tethering. On iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot and trust the computer when prompted. Once done, make sure the computer recognizes a new network interface in Network Settings so the OS can route traffic. This step establishes the shared link and tells both devices to route internet through the USB connection. Next, you configure the computer so the phone's internet is usable. This is the critical middle work. If DHCP is active, the phone usually assigns IP and DNS automatically, but you may need to set a static IP in the same subnet when DHCP fails. On Windows, adjust adapter priority and allow the connection through Firewall. On Mac OS, select the USB interface and confirm DNS. These steps ensure packets route correctly and name lookups succeed, preventing slow or blocked connections. Finally, you validate and finalize the connection by testing a web page and pinging an external IP. This confirms both routing and DNS. If it fails, first toggle tethering off and on, reconnect the cable, or reboot the phone and computer because many issues clear with a restart. If problems persist, reinstall the phone's USB drivers or check carrier restrictions that might block tethering. Remember this single troubleshooting tip. Always test with another cable or another computer to isolate where the failure lies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.